without power as severe thunderstorms pass across New South Wales. The man, believed to be in his 80s, died after a tree fell on his car in the NSW central west town of Cowra on Wednesday afternoon. The Bureau of Meteorology says very dangerous thunderstorms will likely continue to produce damaging, locally destructive winds, large hailstones and heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding into Thursday. Much of southeastern NSW has been impacted, including the Illawarra, South Coast, Metropolitan, Hunter, Central Tablelands, and Southern Tablelands districts.